What is up, guys? I hope you can hear me clearly, because currently I've got the microphone in my helmet. Somebody asked, yo, we need to hear you, man. Can we hear you? So I'm trying this out. I'm gonna start doing vlogs, recording myself talking as I go to work. Just want to detach the camera for a little bit, so I can see if it's recording in pure video mode. We indeed are in pure video mode, so we're safe. Reattach the camera. It's always a struggle. Come on, I'd have to take the helmet off. Are we in? We are in. Yeah, there we go. Okay, gloves on. It's a short ride to work. Thursday night. I need fuel and I don't have money. Payday is on the 28th. We don't have money until the 28th. Whatever I have left, I was planning on getting food. And when I say food, not even a lot of food. Like just enough for me to get 2 meals a day. But we'll make it work. We'll figure something out. But I'll definitely need to get fuel in the morning when I knock off. And an extra microphone at the end of the month, a wired microphone that will go inside the helmet, because I want to keep this microphone in my backpack to use for what I've been using it for, which is to record the exhaust sound. Now the sound should get better with the helmet closed. I know a lot of air is getting in from underneath. I don't have an expensive helmet that has sound deadening and a bunch of other nice. So those guys look nice wearing suits at night. Probably church people returning from home sale. Speaking of church, I need to go back to church. I love the Lord, but you know, there's no buts. I do love the Lord. Just haven't been able to go to church because I work on weekends. I guess you could say I love money, and the extra overtime is what pays for the camera, the microphone, the bike, essentially, you could say. So working 7 days a week, it's not the nicest thing. I wish I worked normal shifts, knocking off at 4 o'clock, but it's not possible. It is not possible because we run production 24 hours a day. We make dairy, so it doesn't last a very long time on the shelves in the companies that we sell it. Man, I need to get a new LED. I need to replace these LEDs. I've been saying that. Anyways, I digress. Dogs, love dogs when they're puppies. So I need to go back to church. Maybe T-Man's church. I used to play guitar at church, but my guitar playing is not that great, so I was a little bit discouraged, but it was getting better. I was in a band also a couple of years ago. The band is no longer active, so I'm not in a band anymore. I still have my guitar. I can still sort of record myself. I can still make music if I wanted to, but your boy is lazy, super lazy. I haven't touched my guitar in a long time. I'll make time, and maybe I'll put up a video of me playing the guitar in this vlog. I really hope I can be heard. I know there's a lot of noise from the air blowing, and I've heard what this sounds like when you just leave it on like if I put this microphone on my chest and I ride, like what was I thinking? It's nothing but wind. Nothing can be heard but the wind. Okay. I was trying to go fast. Yeah, but this guy is really slow. And his lights don't work. See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya! Even the front lights, one of them isn't working. It's like me. What are you doing, brother? Had me worried for a second there. Open it up. Bye. I used to not know how to do a lot of things on this bike. I can do a little bit of leaning now. Lean. That was fun. More leaning. That's not leaning, that's barely any leaning. I have to go to a racetrack one of these days. So I spoke to the lady at the dealership. That's where I normally go, and she told me what's the dealership's name. It's Sally's Yamaha. So she told me racetrack racing is expensive. You need a special license. And then you need, so you can't get the special license if you don't already have a license, a motorcycle license. We don't have a motorcycle license. We only have a learner license. So you need a special license, full leathers. You do like a program where you learn how to race. It's expensive. She's been to a few track days, she tells me, but she says it's expensive. She also says she'd love to take my bike there because it's a 600. She's got a GSX-R 1000. So she's got a super duper bike. I've got this. I'm a humble guy, bro. I could have gotten a 1000cc, but another guy who used to work at the same dealership told me, because I'm still a beginner when it comes to riding motorcycles, or especially transitioning from a delivery bike to a sport bike, it's best to get a 600 and then later on 1000 cc's. He was right, because when I got this bike, it was so heavy compared to my Hero Eco 150. It was so heavy. I could not handle this bike. Okay, the sitting position was so uncomfortable. The bike was so heavy. I'm just glad. Let's turn these off. I'm just glad I listened. I've had a great time with this bike, with Naledi, that's her name, which means star, or shooting star. I've had a great time with her. I've enjoyed riding her. Love this bike. We're due for maintenance. Spark plugs at 32,000. It's 32,466. I don't think the dealership I bought the bike from have done the spark plugs, so we're gonna spend 5,000 rands to get them done, or we will spend 2,500 rands just to buy them and fit them ourselves. Dumalang dati, ligay.
That's alright.
Right, dati. I can say helmet.
Alright.
Yeah, it's alright in that. It's alright. Otherwise, I'm not Spanish up. Yeah, nah. Kin se re batla o e bona eo. Ke se re batla o e bona eo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spanish up.
Take care.
Voilà. Hello.